Good morning all, I am Rekha. I am here to present a new topic before you, that is Python. What is Python and why we are using Python? Python is a popular programming language that was developed by Guido van Rossum in 1991. Python is used to develop web application at server side, not at client side, at server side. Okay, then not only we are using this Python in developing web application, but also we are using Python in mathematics, system scripting, and software development, etc. Then why we are preferring this much to Python according to or compared to other programming language? Because there are some advantages for Python compared to other programming languages. Let's see what are the advantages of Python compared to other popular programming languages. Okay, the first advantages is that the Python works on different platforms. Different platforms means Windows, Mac, Linux, Raspberry Pi, etc. Okay, that is the first advantage. Then the other advantages is that Python has a simple syntax. Python has a simple syntax compared to other languages like C, C++, Java, etc. Python has a simple syntax similar to the English language. That is our high-level language. The Python has a simple syntax similar to English language. Okay. The other advantages is that Python runs on an interpreter system. Python runs on an interpreter system. What do you mean by interpreter system? The interpreter system means that the code can be executed as soon as it was written. The code can be executed as soon as it was written. That's why we are calling the Python runs on an interpreter system. Then Python can be treated in procedural way, at the same time in object-oriented way or a functional way. Okay, compared to other languages like Java is an object-oriented programming language. C is a procedure-oriented programming language. But in Python, we can treat Python in procedural way as the same way, object-oriented way or functional way. These are the main advantages of Python compared to other languages. Okay, then we can enter to the programming. So, most of the PC today onwards, most of the PCs and Macs, the Python already installed. So, we can run it directly, write the simple programs on the command prompt and directly run on it. And also, we can write the programs on any files and save it as a .py extension. Okay, .py extension and run it on command prompt. Okay, that's in that way we run the Python program. And also if you are setting with the basic topics, then you can there are a lot of interpreters available in Google. Then we can easily run that program at that platform. Okay, we can develop Python web pages using the framework Django or in PyCharm. Both are okay. That's our comfortness. Then, what is Python commands? Okay, we know that all programming language, we mention some commands in all our programming. Why we are using commands? The commands can be used to explain Python code or any programming language, that particular code. Okay, commands can be used to make the code more readable. Okay, commands can be used to make the code more readable, more understandable. That's it. Then, the commands can be used to prevent the execution when testing code. Okay, then in Python, we use hash symbol for writing commands. We use hash symbol in Python. Okay, that's all about commands. Next one is variable. Okay, Python variable. How we declare a variable in Python, how initialize the values to the variable, etc. Let's continue. Variable. What do you mean by variable? Variable are containers for storing data values. Variables are containers for storing data values. Okay, the name itself shows that the value in the variable may vary according to the execution of the program. That's why variable. Okay. Then Python has no command for declaring a variable according or compared to other languages. Like in Java, we want to declare a variable, then we put some data type and variable name, then semicolon. In Python, there is no need of declaring a variable, no need of command for declaring a variable. A variable is created the moment you first assign a value to it. In Python, a variable is created the moment you first assign a value to it. For example, x equal to 5. That means 5 is a value that stored in the variable x, and y equal to John. John must be in inverted comma because it is a string. Okay, single quotes or it is a double quotes. Both are okay. Okay, then y equal to John means John is a value that stored in the variable y. Okay, that is the way we declare variable. For declaring or naming a variable, there are some rules for naming a variable. First one is that every variable name must be start with a letter. Okay, every variable name must be start with a letter or underscore. Both are okay. Then for naming a variable, there are some rules are there. Okay, the first one is every variable name must be start with a letter or underscore. Okay, every variable name must be start with a letter or underscore. And a variable name cannot only allow alphanumeric characters, not allow any special characters or white spaces, etc. Okay, then the variable names cannot be a keywords in Python. Okay, it cannot be Python keywords, and the variable names are case sensitive. What do you mean by case sensitivity? The case sensitivity means if capital A is not equal to small a. If you are assigning a value to a capital A, then if you are calling that variable or printing that variable, it should be capital A, not small a, because capital A is different from small a. Both have different ASCII values, so Python variables are case sensitive. Okay, those are the main rules for naming a variable. Okay, then in other programming language, we do not allow multiple values to a same variable. Okay, so here we can assign same value to multiple variables. For example, x comma y comma z equal to orange. That means x, y, z have the same value orange. Okay, then the same way Python allows you to assign value to multiple variables in one line. That means x comma y comma z equal to orange comma banana comma cherry. That means x have the value of orange, y have the value of banana, and z have the value of cherry. Okay, got it? Okay. Then the main data types available in Python. Okay, for text type we use str. Okay, for text type we use data type str. For numeric types we use 3 data types. First one is int for integer, float for floating point value, and complex value. Okay, those are the numeric data types in Python. Next one is sequence type. For sequence type we use list, tuple, range. Okay, for sequence type the data types are list, tuple, and range. Then for mapping type we use dict, that is for dictionary. Okay. Then for set type there are 2 set data types are there. One is set and second one is frozen set. Okay. Then boolean type is bool. Then binary types are bytes, byte array, etc. Okay, those are the data types. What do you mean by data type? The variable can contain what type of data, that is called data types. Okay, I think clear about data types. Next, Python numbers. Okay, there are 3 type of Python numbers are available in Python. Okay, first one int. int or integer. It is a whole number and it can contain positive or negative numbers without decimals of unlimited length. Okay, without decimals of unlimited length, that is int or integer. Next one, float. Float or floating point number. What it is? Float or floating point number is a number of, it also contains positive or negative, and it contains one or more decimals. Not the point. Floating point always contain one or more decimal, but integer does not contain decimals. Okay. Then next one is complex numbers. What do you mean by complex numbers? The complex numbers are written with j as imaginary part. For example, set equal to 1j. Okay, set equal to 1j. Here j is what it is? It is an imaginary part. Okay, that's up to Python numbers. Then we are going to discuss about various operators available in Python. Okay, various operators available in Python. What do you mean operators? Operators are used to perform operations on variables or values. Okay, operators are used to perform operations on variables and values. Okay, for example, let's see an expression c equal to a plus b. C equal to a plus b. Here, plus is an operator. Okay, then a and b is called operands, and that process is called operation. Okay, then there are several types of operators available in Python. First one is arithmetic operator. First one is arithmetic operator. Okay, first arithmetic operator are used for performing arithmetic calculations. Okay, then first arithmetic operator is addition. That means plus. Okay, plus symbol. For addition, for example, 10 plus 20, what it is? 30. Okay, here 10 is an operand, 20 is another operand. We are performing a operation using the operator plus. Then what will be the value? The result will be 30. Okay, that is addition operator. Then subtraction. For example, 20 minus 10. Okay, here 20 and 10 are both operands, and minus is the operator. Okay, then what will be the answer? 20 minus 10 is 10. Okay, then asterisk symbol, that's for multiplication. What it is? Multiplication. For example, 10 into 20, the value will be 200. Okay, that is. Then division, that means division symbol. Division symbol is static symbol. Okay, so the division, 20 divided by 10 equal to 2. In division, we are taking the quotient. Okay, in division, we are taking the quotient as the result. Okay, next one is modulus. In modulus, for example, 22 mod 10 means we are taking the remainder as the result. That is the difference between division and modulus. Both are we are performing the division process. But there, in division, we are taking the quotient as the result. In modulus, we are taking the remainder as the result. So, you just want to clear it. Okay, then next operator is double asterisk. That means exponent. For example, 4 exponent 2 means what it is? 4 raised to 2. Okay, that means 4 into 4, which is the answer will be 16. Okay, the answer will be 16. Then double division symbol. That means double slash. Slash symbol for division. Okay, double slash. That is called floor division. Okay, floor division. And the exponent and floor division in new operators in Python. Okay, so floor division means if 15 floor divided by 7. Okay, what will it? When 15 divided by 7, the answer will be 7.5. Okay, there the floor division happens. Then what will we do? We round the decimal to nearest down to nearest whole number. Okay, so 15 divided by 7, then the floor division, the answer will be 7, because 7.5 we rounded down to the nearest whole number, that is 7. So the answer will be 7. Okay, that is about arithmetic operator. Next Next one is comparison operator. Comparison operator used to compare the variables. Okay, used to compare the variable. First one is equal to. Okay, that is equal to symbol. It is a comparison operator which is used to check both the variable have the same value. Okay, in comparison operators, the answer will be, the result will be, we are getting the result will be true or false not. Okay, if I am checking 4 equal to 5, it's true or false? It's not true, because 4 not equal to 5. So equal to for checking both variable strictly same value. Okay, then not equal to. Not equal to means 4 not equal to 5. It's a true because 4 not equal to 5. Okay, that is not equal to. Then another comparison operator is that greater than symbol. Okay, greater than. We are checking which number is greater. Okay, for some condition we want to, all these operators we want to use in some programming needs. Okay, some program you want to find the largest number for some any other purpose. So we want to use these symbols for there. So we want to know how they are working. Okay, so greater than symbol means, for example, 4 greater than 5. Okay, 4 is greater than 5? No, 4 is not greater than 5. So we will get the false as result. Okay, then less than symbol. Less than, similarly we are checking which is lesser number. That's it. Then less than or equal to. Less than or equal to means once the variable may be lesser than that number, otherwise equal to that number. Okay, both are true condition. Otherwise we will get the false. Then greater than equal to symbol. Greater than equal to is also working less than equal to, because we want to find if it is greater, if the number is greater, then we will get true result, or if it is equal, then also we get true result. Otherwise we will get false as result. Okay, these are the comparison operators available in Python. Next one, assignment operator. Assignment operator. Actually, equal to is the assignment operator. For example, a equal to 10. Here 10 is a value we are assigning to the variable a. Okay, a equal to 10 means 10 is a value we are assigning to the variable a. That's why equal to is called as assignment operator. Then after that we have a lot of shorthand operator along with the assignment operator. For example, plus equal to, minus equal to, into equal to, division equal to, exponent equal to, then floor division equal to that. Thus, all those are working like, for example, plus equal to means if I am writing a plus equal to 5, that means a equal to a plus 5. Okay, if I am writing a plus equal to 5, that which means that a equal to a plus 5. Okay, so assignment operator is equal to that. Remind those operators are listed. There is shorthand operator. Okay, that's assignment operator. Next operator is logical operator. There are 3 logical operators available in Python. First one is logical AND, second one is logical OR, and third one is logical NOT. Okay. First one is logical AND. Okay, if we have 2 expressions, assume that we have 2 expressions. Okay, when we get the true result, when both the expressions are true, okay, both the expressions are true, then we only get the true result. In logical AND, both my left hand expression and right hand expression should be true, then only I get the true result. Otherwise I will get the false result. That is logical AND. In logical OR, I have assume that I have 2 expressions. If one expression is true, that's fine. Okay, then we will get the true result. If both expressions are true, then also we will get the true result. If only we get false when both expressions are false in logical OR. Okay, then logical NOT is that if we have a true result, then the logical NOT of that expression is that the false. If I have true, then the logical NOT of true is false. If I have false, then the logical NOT of that false is true. That's logical operators. Okay. Then bitwise operator. Okay, bitwise operators only done with binary values. Okay, bitwise operations only we have to done with the binary values. If somewhere they are giving some integer values, first we want to convert it to binary value, then we can only perform the bitwise operations. Okay, first one is bitwise AND. That I have already told in logical AND, the same way in bitwise AND, but there the normal expression, here it is a binary expression, that's it. So in logical AND, both values should be true, then the result also be true. Okay, both value should be true, then the result is also true. Otherwise, we will get the false result. That means 0 value. If both are 1, 1, then the answer will be 1. If any one is 0, then the answer will be 0. So 1 for true value, 0 for false value. Okay, then OR. It is also same. If both are true, then the OR value also true. If one is true, one is false, that's okay in OR, because we will get the true result. If both results are false, then only we will get false result in OR value. Okay. In XOR, okay, we are performing bitwise XOR. Then if both results are true, then it leads to a false value. If both results are false, then it also leads to a false value. We are get true value in XOR only when one result is true, other is must be false. Then we will get the true value in XOR. Okay, these are the bitwise operator, and also we have two different bitwise operators are left shift and right shift. Okay, binary left shift and binary right shift. In binary left shift, we are shifting the number of values that will always be prescribed in the question. So if you want to left shift 2, then the 2 values will be shifted to the left. Okay, then if we want to shift one value to the right, then it will be we will shift the one value to the right shift. Okay, that is left shift and right shift. That's all about bitwise operator. Next one, membership operator. Okay, these are new in Python. Other language we don't have membership operator. In Python we have membership operator. Membership operators are used to test if a sequence is present in an object. Okay, membership operators are used to test if a sequence is present in an object. There are two types of membership operators are available in Python. One is in, another one is not in. Okay, in returns true if a sequence with the specified value present in the object. Okay, it only returns true when the specified value present in the object. Otherwise, it will return false value. Not in means it returns true if only the sequence not present in the object. The sequence of value not present in the object. That is not it. That's all about membership operator. The next one is identity operator. Next one is identity operator. Identity operators are used to compare the objects. Okay, identity operators are used to compare the object. Not if they are equal, but if they are actually the same object. Okay, not they are equal, but actually the same object. There are two types of identity operator available in Python. First one is, second one is not. Okay, first one is, second one is not. Returns true if both variables are the same object. Okay, if operator returns true if both the variable have the same object. Otherwise, it returns false. Not returns true if both the variables are not the same object. Otherwise, it returns false. Okay, that's all about identity operator. Okay, we just finished the all type of operators available in Python. We are starting with main topic. That means the main 4 built-in functions. The main 4 built-in functions available in Python. Okay, 4 main built-in function available in Python. First one is list. Okay, List is a popular built-in function. Okay, popular built-in function available in Python and also which is used to store collection of data. Okay, list one of the built-in type in Python used to store collection of data like arrays. Okay, like arrays we in Python we would use list items. Okay, list is used to store collection of data. Then list can used to store multiple items in a single variable. Okay, list can used to store multiple items in a single variable. We create list using square bracket. Okay, if you saw any square bracket contained data, you should know that it is a list in Python. Okay, square bracket. Set list are created using square bracket. Okay, then there are some properties for the list. Okay, first one is list items are ordered. Okay, list items are ordered means it has defined value. Okay, definite order. Okay, list items are ordered. List items are indexed. Okay, list items are ordered, so they are also indexed. The starting index is 0. Okay, in list item the starting index is 0. Then the list items are changeable. That means we can add or remove values to the list items once they are created. Okay, we can add or remove values to the list item. Then list items allow duplicate values. That means in list item, if I have a list, okay, for example, I have a list, my list name is my list. My list equal to apple in square bracket, apple, banana, cherry. Okay, 3 values in it. I can also create the list with apple, banana, cherry, then apple, banana. Okay, multiple occurrence of that same value cannot be any problem in list in list. Okay, so the list item are indexed, so we can access those lists using the index value. Okay, and if I want to add some value to the list, then I can use the method append. Okay, my list name is my list dot append of along with the value that I can add it newly. Okay, that is the list. And also I can remove the value from the list using remove. Okay, I can remove the value from the list using remove method. And along with the remove method, I want to specify which element or which list item that I want to remove. Okay, then and also we know that in Java we have already studied about array. Array have always contain the homogeneous data type of values. So homogeneous type of values only array contain. But in Python the list contain different data type of arrays. For example, my list name is list1 equal to, it can contain name like John, 34, true. It can contain numerical values, string values, boolean values, etc. That's not a problem in list. Okay. List items are indexed and you can access them by referring to the index number. So we can access the list item using their index number. Okay. Then we want to remove the specified index in the particular list. Then we can use the method pop. Then along with that we want to specify the index number. Then we will remove with the index. That's about list. I have already told you that list is an important built-in data type in Python, which is used to store collection of data with different types. Okay, then list is created using square bracket. Okay, next built-in data type is tuple. Okay, next one is tuple. Tuple is also for built-in data type in Python used to store the collection of data. But the main difference between the tuple and list is that list is created using square bracket and tuple is created using parentheses or round brackets. Okay, round brackets. That is the major difference. And also we know that tuple is also ordered. Okay, that means tuple have also a definite order, and the index, it is also indexed, and the starting index is 0. Okay, tuple is also ordered, but in tuple, the tuple is collection which is ordered and unchangeable. Which is ordered and unchangeable. Unchangeable means we cannot add or remove data from the tuple once it is created. Okay, once it is created, we cannot add or remove data from the tuple. Add to or remove from data from the tuple. So there is a way we can use to add new values to the or remove values to the tuple. Is that first we want to typecast. First we want to change the type of the tuple to list. Then we want to add something, then we can use append method to add something, or remove method to remove that element. Then again the list is converted into tuple. This is the only one method available that we can only add. We can add or remove data in the tuple. First we want to convert it to list, then changes occurs, then we again convert the list into the tuple. Okay, that is the way we change or any changes performing in tuple. Okay, the main difference between the tuple and list are tuple is round bracket and list is created using square bracket, and list is changeable and tuple is unchangeable. Then we can also access the tuple using its index. Okay, that's about tuple. Next one is set. It is also a built-in data type that is used to store multiple items in a single variable. Set is also a built-in data type to store multiple items in a single variable. Then the properties of set is unordered. What it is? Set is unordered, unchangeable, and unindexed. That is the important property of set. Set is unordered, unchangeable, and unindexed. But set will not allow duplicate values. Okay, but sets cannot have two items with the same value. That is, it cannot allow duplicate value. And set created using curly braces. Okay, sets created using curly braces. That's about set. Next one is dictionary. Okay, next one is dictionary. Dictionary are used to store data values in key value pairs. Okay, in key value pairs. Usual dictionaries, usual English Oxford dictionaries, we will see that if a word and its meaning, noun, etc. are there. In the same pattern, in dictionary in Python, there is a key available, and the key has a particular value also available there. So key value pair in dictionary, it is a key value pair. Then the main property of dictionary is that which is ordered, changeable, and do not allow duplicates. It is ordered. Ordered means it has a definite value and it has an index. Then changeable means we can add keys to the dictionary and remove the keys from the dictionary. If we remove the key, automatically the value will also be removed. Then, but it does not allow duplicate values. Okay, because dictionary cannot have two items with the same key. Dictionary cannot have two items with the same key. Okay, then dictionary items presented in key value pair. I have already told you that. Then we can access the key using its index. Okay, we can also provide some values to index value. Then we can access the key values using some methods available in Python. Okay. Then the pop method removes the item with the specified key name. If we want to remove some specified key name, we can use the method pop method. Okay. Then also there is another method is called pop item. Removes the last inserted item in the dictionary. Okay. Pop item removes the last inserted item in the dictionary. Okay, that's all about dictionary and list items. Okay, that's all about basics in Python. Then we will discuss other topic in another video. Thank you.